Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your contact list into your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into SalesMate CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that's pretty common for you to switch over to a new service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your SalesMate account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your contact list, here on the left side, you want to click on this little person icon. Once you click there, you're going to see all of your contacts in your SalesMate CRM. However, to import your spreadsheet of other contacts, here on the top right, you're going to click on Actions. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Import from Excel or CSV. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to be in the Manage Data section. Make sure you've clicked on Import or Migrate. And then to import your contacts, you're going to click here on Contact. Unless you're going to be uploading your contacts, it's a company spreadsheet. Once you check that box, go ahead and click on this blue Next button here at the bottom. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and drop your spreadsheet right here, or you can click here and choose a file from your computer. They do let you know it needs to be CSV, XLS, or XLSX. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my file now. Okay, so I've uploaded my contact spreadsheet. I'm going to click on this blue Next button once again here at the bottom. Okay, so here you can go ahead and map out the fields that are showing up in your spreadsheet. Once you've mapped it out, go ahead and click on the next button here on the bottom right. Okay, now it's processing, as you can see. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You should see this confirmation right here. Import has finished successfully. Now we can go ahead and go back here. And if we go here to the contacts, we're going to see our new contacts that were added right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to upload or import your contacts into your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.